Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Can-Am SPYDER F3S SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Can-Am SPYDER SE6 with 5,554 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a K&N air filter, an aftermarket windshield, and a passenger backrest. Powered by a 1330cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7-gallon fuel tank, the SPYDER has a 225 to 260 mile fuel range. It has a 26.6-inch seat height and a dry weight of 948 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output at 14 volts. Both front tires at 7/30 seconds and the rear is also at 7/30 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the handlebar gap cover is missing on the left side. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the fuel tank, a burn hole on the passenger seat, and paint blemishes on the rear fender rails. This TRIKE has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.